Welcome back, everybody. Yeah, I know it's been a while. We haven't posted, but today, me and my brother are going to be playing a contest, of course. As you can see, the back, we're going to be shooting around, and we're going to try to do this challenge and see who wins out of this challenge. And yeah, we're just going to be competing against each other, and we're going to be shooting crazy trick shots, crazy everything, guys. So just stay tuned. And if you haven't checked out the last video, check it out, guys. I know we haven't posted in a couple months, but I've been busy. We've had stuff going on, but we're back. So we're gonna bring y'all this banger, and well, stay tuned though. All right, guys. Here's my first three. Okay, guys. So first shot, he's gonna try to shoot. Well, first shot, I'm gonna try to shoot from right here, and then he's gonna have to copy me. So yeah, we'll see. Now let's see if he makes it. I'll make it for sure. Make it. Look, he ain't built like me. He ain't built like me, man. Come on. I'm the range one. I got range. Okay. He got lucky. Next one. Point it this way. All right. Next shot is gonna be from the top of the key, but close to the three-pointer. So let's see if he makes it. Make that. Go to the camera. If you move, you gotta move around. I bet I got you. Alright. See that spot right there? Right there. I'm gonna shoot from right there. Watch. As you can see, he just got lucky in that last shot, guys. I got y'all. Let's see if this boy knows how to shoot free throws now. I missed. You did embarrassing, man. I missed that bitch, man. I'll shoot for a three. A bit harder now. Shoot from the basically half court, so let's see if he can make that. Go, man.
Bruh.
Bro, you ass, dude. What are you shooting at? Okay, guys, so to make this a little bit more difficult for us, we're gonna be using a blindfold. And now, the thing is,
It's us.
oh no, his turn. No, but like, hold up. Yeah, we out here wearing this mask. Nah, I'm just playing, guys. Alright, we'll see. We'll see if he can shoot. We'll see if he can lay up with him being covered up. Oh yeah.
I'm gonna make it, bro.
They ain't gonna make it.
Little does he know, I'm gonna be peeking from the side, from the bottom. Little does he know.
Alright, come on. Sir. Do a blindfold layup, yeah. He wants to try a layup being blindfolded, so we're gonna put him to the task for that, guys. So we got him right here. I'm gonna put him closer to it. Let's see if he can lay up. This boy trying to cheat. Nah, I'm just playing. Alright, come on. Court, right, straight in front of you. Yeah, it's right in front of you. Easy, bet. Go. I messed with him in that one, but I'm gonna let him try for real now. Whoa! That was close. Yeah, he was actually close in this one, but he couldn't get it because he ain't built like that. Like I said.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
This boy wants to try out if he can shoot a three, so we're gonna see if he can actually shoot with a blindfolded. Go ahead. Wait. Okay, he's right there.
Where's his at?
Huh?
Where'd I shoot?
Just shoot straight.
Straight?
Yeah, shoot straight.
Alright, man.
Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to shoot now from the three, being blindfolded. So we'll see if we can get this shot off. I'm gonna definitely try my best, but you know what I'm saying? This is kind of hard because I don't really do this shit. So let's see what I got.
Hell no, it's harder than you think it is, trust me, y'all.
Alright, let's shoot this shot right here, guys. Put me with a 3-point like that.
Bruh.
He said I airballed, so I mean I believe him. I probably did, but yeah, I'm way better without this guys.
He did worse than me. He airballed the ball. You saw that. I touched the backboard of the rim, Ellie. You shot over there, dog. Oh no! The back shot.
Bruh.
I was close. Behind the backboard. Let me get it closer.
I'll be shooting it behind the backboard. Behind the backboard. Watch. Alright, ready? There. Points. Yeah, let it count. That's it. I can't do it, bro. No. Oh. That's nothing but bricks, man. I'm gonna make. Ah, dude.
Hey, we can do something that later on.
No, I know. What you mean it on, boy?
Alright, what's up guys? We're back here in my car. We just got done with doing the video. It got dark outside, so I kind of had to. We have to
do a little vlog, you know?
Yeah, so we're in my car right now. We're about to head out.
I swear.
And we'll see what y'all guys got to see through the video. So, alright, let's get out of here.
Hold on, I got y'all. But hell no, it's dark, bro. Let them see some light. But yeah, stay tuned.
We've been trying to pose, but you know, we've been trying to figure out what we can do and post for y'all people. But you know, I started barber school a couple days ago, so we'll see how that goes. I want to make a little video and vlog about that, guys. So hopefully I get to watch that. And yeah, we've been trying to think of ideas of doing pranks, but you know, guys, if y'all comment down below, that would actually help a lot.
Funny ass prank, bro.
We're down to do any pranks that y'all give us, guys. So hopefully it goes that way.
Yeah.
And yeah, right now
I'll
we're
stay tuned though, man.
Alright, let's get out this way. We're in the Hemi, you know what I'm saying? That's why y'all hear the exhaust a little bit, but let's get it, guys. Let's see what else. Let's do a quick wash my car.
I bet.
We're actually gonna go head out right now. We're gonna go wash the car, and so y'all can see kind of my car and see how it is and looks. We're just trying to do this for fun, you know. We're trying to do YouTube for fun, but we're trying to be entertaining to y'all. And y'all just, you know, just stay tuned. might take us a little while to post a video here and there, but we're definitely gonna keep this channel going. We'll try our best to keep it going. Y'all just gotta be patient, and you know, hopefully you guys stay tuned for everything else that's coming out.
Yeah, nice.
I like this part right here. Look. We getting here.
Detail is nice though. Green. Yeah, is that a Tesla? A Tesla? Look at that.
We got a Tessie. All right, guys, we arrived to the car wash. So let's get to rinsing this Hemi out. I'm about to get out the car. Y'all can see, here it is. I know y'all saw this car in the last video, but you know, this time I'm gonna show y'all us washing it, and hopefully it comes out great.
You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned though. Y'all stay tuned. We're finna wash. We're gonna rinse the Chrysler Hemi 300. You know what I'm saying? But y'all stay tuned though. Be funny ass videos and stuff like that. And make sure you like the video though, guys. That support us a lot. This dude, man. It got dark. We had to do a little vlog. Huh? I don't care, dog. I don't really care though. Y'all stay tuned though.
We about to get changed real quick. You know
Yeah,
what
if I
I'm
take
saying?
a shower real quick, yeah. Nah, we're gonna break the phone, dog. Nah, but this is to get some water though. Y'all wanna stay hydrated, you know?
They only give me 10 pennies, man.
Am I no 10 pennies? Nah, but yeah.
Alright guys, here's Hemi the Beast. Woo! Alright, I'm gonna pass it y'all. But yeah, we're just gonna give it a quick rinse and wash. You know what I'm saying? First, I normally like to just rinse it as everyone else does. Just rinse this. Look at him. It's loud. Alright guys, so this is gonna rinse it out. And we're gonna see how it comes out. Yes, sir. I'm gonna get this in. I haven't washed it in like about a month or two, so it's pretty good. I'm saying, you know, every car needs a wash in there, so it's alright. It's like pressure washing, that's why. You know, you got 50 seconds, huh? Oh. Oh. You gotta wash it, man. You gotta keep it clean. That pressure washer is strong though, to be honest. That thing pushes you back. Oh, I thought the window was open. Oh. Yo, dog.
Don't get me wet, man.
Alright guys, I'll see y'all later.
I'll see y'all later.
We're at San Antonio, Texas. Let's get it.
You do washing and stuff. You gotta keep it clean. You got the Hemi though, you know.
Our time right now though, now we gotta.
That's it, we got a little bit of fun.
Some foam.
You gotta use a foam. So it's foam time. It's like having a son. You gotta take him a shower as a little baby. You know? Gotta keep him clean. Look at this man dropping his change. He's dropping his change.
Alright. I like normally. Alright guys, I like normally washing my cars with this foam gun. So we'll see how it looks. Y'all will see how it's gonna look afterwards.
You tried to shower me instead. What the hell? You gotta clean the rims and then the side. And then these dudes still keep on cleaning it. You gotta wash everything. You gotta get everything. But that Tesla I was talking about right there, look. There's a Tesla right there. There's a Tesla right there. There's a Challenger in front of me. It's too loud, you probably barely hear me. But yeah, look, this dude didn't even clean the rims right. Look, he only got a little bit.
Bruh.
You gotta clean the rims right. You gotta put it in the rims, dog. Nah, that was good. Oh yeah. Can't forget the back. And we're running out of time. 50 seconds. Only got 50 seconds. Oh, that's a nice Camaro though. Y'all see that Camaro right there? You see that Camaro? Right there, you see it? Yeah, nice ass Camaro. I'm a type of car. I like cars. If you know me, you know me. But yeah. Y'all better watching the Chrysler, the Hemi 300C B8. Hey, look at that Challenger, man. A Challenger. There's a Camaro. Damn, badass headlights, dude. Yellow headlights.
So I'm almost about done. Just filling up this whole car with foam.
What was that? Beep, 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 beep.
Alright, so this is how I normally cover it up. Sit about like a couple, I let it sit for like a couple 30 seconds, couple minutes, and you know, let the foam try to take the dirt off. Yeah, so it needs to sit there for a while, and y'all see how it will come out afterwards, guys. So stay tuned. And all the foam is gonna drop. It's gonna be all dirty though. Yeah. Well, actually, I gotta brush this out because you know it has dirt on the car, so I gotta brush it out while the foam's on there. So that's what we're gonna do.
Yeah. You gotta wash it.
Because I haven't washed it for like 2 months or a month. So
damn, hell nah, bro.
Okay guys, that was it for that vlog. You know, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And any ideas, like we said, and appreciate y'all for watching. And you know, we just decided to give y'all a little vlog besides our little park match that we had. We'll be making more videos for y'all guys. And yes sir, peace out. Until next time guys, peace out.